So the nice thing that's going to be available with the macros is the ability to have those macros enhanced or updated and without having to wait for a whole new release of Business Center. So an example is that this one macro here, office or offset surface. The way that it works is you basically pick the surface you want to offset. So let's say that this original ground surface, and I want to create a new surface of topsoil removed, let's say. I can do that, and then I can set an offset. So let's say that I'm going to put a -6 inches. It's going to basically drop the surface down 6 inches. Now, in the shipping version, and if you're looking at your macro interface or your macro command, you'll notice that this clipping boundary is not there. That's because since the product shipped, our development team made an enhancement to this particular macro and delivered a new one, and I'll show you how to insert that and make that available. But with the clipping boundary now, instead of doing the entire surface, what I can do is pick a boundary that I want just this area to be offset. So when I do that and I click OK, it's going to offset that surface and only create a new surface within that clipping boundary. So now you can see if I go to surfaces here and I pick that topsoil removed and add it in my surface slicer, then I only get that surface within this area. So it makes it very easy to offset a surface and only offset a portion of that surface. So basically, to update this, what you would need to do is first close Business Center down, and then go out to the store, or sorry, the community page. And on the community page here is the new TML offset. So if you click the link below this video, it'll take you to this TML macros extensions community page. And if you scroll down, you can see that Gary's posted the TML offset surface command. And what you want to do is download the file. So if you just click here, it'll take you to a page where you're going to be able to download the file. So you'll download the zip file, and you want to extract it, and make sure you extract it in this folder path. This folder path is where the macros are stored. So if I come in here and I look under Trimble, you can see that these are all the macros. So if I was to download it, basically I just copy and pasted, or basically just copied these and overwrote the ones that were there. Now you could leave the other one if you wanted to, but it doesn't really make sense to do so. But that's how you can update a existing macro, just by replacing these files with these files. So I just copied them, pasted them here, and overwrote them. Reopen Business Center, and now I've got that updated macro.